Hello everyone, is everything great? So today we are going to make friendship band. So let's get started. So let's take 3 strips of 3 colors and stick 2 strips in 90 degree. Now let's take yellow one and stick in the middle like this way. Now cut the excess part. Now follow the procedure. Now fold from downwards like this way and stick it. Now let's take a strip and cut a small section to make a lock for a belt like this way. Now let's cut the excess part and stick it. And the band is ready. Let's see how to wear this. And the band is ready. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. And do follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.